Your English exam is over and now it's preparation for physics, and I know many of you have not yet started and still dreaming of getting 70 out of 70, but realistically if you have not yet started, 70 out of 70 is slightly difficult but not impossible if you follow this guide. So I am going to help you in all the possible way that you can score 70 out of 70. Maybe you are someone who is revising, maybe someone you have not yet started, maybe someone is saying, sir, I don't have that much courage in me, just help me to pass in the exam. So I will help you not only pass in the exam, I will also help you to score at least 45 to 50 marks in upcoming PU exam. That is my guarantee if you follow the instructions that I am going to share and also follow whatever I am going to tell you to do next, right? So this is obviously the most important lecture of your life if you are someone who is struggling with physics. And yes, welcome to Lakshya Karnataka channel, and Lakshya Karnataka channel is bringing you all possible ways to help you out with your physics preparation. So let's start. First of all, obviously you are wondering, sir, what are all the chapters that I want to study, that I should study, or I have to revise the first. So first thing that you should know all the important chapters that are going to come in your PU2 final exam. So first, electric charges and field, electrostatic potential and capacitance, current electricity, you cannot skip this chapter, one of the most important chapter. Then moving charges and magnetism, alternating current for numerical, those who want to score at least 5 to 10 marks, at least 5 marks in numericals, alternating current is your go-to chapter. From there you are going to get one sure shot numerical. Ray optics, wave optics, these two chapters are also important in terms of 2-3 marker question. Derivation, one of the derivation will come mostly from wave optics, but if you are only if you don't want to go into that deep, you have to study 2-3 marker question from these two chapters. And semiconductor, one fixed 5 marker derivation question is going to come from this chapter. So these are the must do chapters, and must do chapters means you have to study these chapters, at least the questions and answers of those questions, right? Now let's start with the strategy. First of all, today is 3rd of March, so your English exam is over. Now you might want to relax, but there is no time to relax. You have to be much more careful now because the next exam is physics. So what you have to do, I am giving you enough time to relax, okay? Have some tea and coffee. There is a live, by the way, join that live. After the live is over, you have to start with your numericals. Numericals are the most pain point of most of the students, especially those who have not yet doing enough. Now from where you can study numericals, obviously I have done one numerical live video, also I have done a recorded numerical session. Check both of them out. So those two videos are going to be very helpful for all of you. So study the numericals first. Second, practice 30 to 40 MCQs before you go to bed, okay? Today obviously you just came from English exam, so maybe you don't want to study late. If you want to study late, you can continue, but I have given you enough time to prepare for your MCQs as well, and then go to bed early, wake up early tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow will be a big day, big preparation day, okay? So practice 30-40 MCQs at least. There is a MCQ video I have done, 1 hour 100 question. You can check that video as well. Now what we are going to bring today, apart from this lecture, we are also going to give you complete revision live from 5 PM onwards. So do attend that lecture. Next, physics final revision. There will be a recorded session of 12 hours long. So do check that out. If you are someone who is starting from the scratch, the lecture is already once available, but it will be available once more. So you can go and check that physics final revision once more. Fixed questions will also be provided to you. So if you just want to know which questions are important, you want to revise those questions, so that fixed question video will also be available to you, so that you can prepare well for your physics exam. So this is the schedule from our side. This is what you have to do. Next is 4th March. Now what you have to do, focus all important chapters. So first thing first is you have to complete all the chapters. You do not have a lot of time, so how you have to do, you have to divide the time slot, which is very important. In the early morning you wake up, practice some MCQs. From where you can practice from question banks, you can practice from previous year papers, from wherever you want. So practice 30 to 40 MCQs. Okay, obviously I have done 100 MCQs. If you watching that yesterday, you don't need to watch that again, but you can practice 30 to 40 MCQs from your question banks. Okay, now 9 to 12 p.m. You should revise electric charges, potential and capacitance. Okay, so these are the important chapters for revision. Next, from 1 p.m. to 4:30, so take a 1 hour gap of your lunch, then you relax for a bit, take a gap, and then you should focus on current, electricity and moving charges. So during afternoon time, you should focus on these two chapters. Okay, next is 5 to 9 p.m. alternating current, ray optics, wave optics, semiconductors. These are the 4 chapters that you should pay attention from this time slot, and at night you should practice again before going to bed 30 to 40 MCQs. Now in this day, if you don't want to study yourself, you want to get help from others, for example you want to take help of me, then what you can do, you will get the video of all formula sheet, you will get passing package, those who want to score just passing mark or just want to revise to get 50 to 60 marks, okay, but they are struggling to get that even 50 marks, then this is the video you must watch. Okay, here you will get all the material to score at least 50 marks. At least 50 marks is guaranteed if you watch this single video, okay, and practice all those questions. Okay, now all top NCERT numerical I will be coming live in the evening. Okay, so do join me for the live. I think the live will be around 4 p.m. Okay, do join me for all top MCQs, top numericals from NCERT, because in the past many important MCQ questions, numerical questions especially, are coming from your NCERT textbook. So we are going to solve some top numerical questions from your NCERT textbook. So do join me in this live. And at night, all night, those who want to study late in the night, for them I am bringing not only for them, those who want to study early also, I will be bringing 200 top MCQs from 8 p.m. till night 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. So it will be a very long session. Do join me, and if possible I will discuss some of the other questions as well. Okay, so this will be an all-nighter session for all of you. Okay, and do join me in this live, and passing package is compulsory for all of you. Next is 5th of March. 5th of March, what you will be getting? 5th of March, obviously you will be getting, obviously you have to wake up, and if you are studying a little late night with me, you can wake up little later, 7 a.m. okay, and practice 30 to 40 MCQs. There is no time to slack right now, you have to do it. Then 9, do take 1 hour break for breakfast, for freshening up, and then for 3 hours you study all important derivations. Derivations are fixed 15 marks questions, so all important derivations you have to practice in this time slot. Once it is done, next from 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. you have to practice all derivations again. So remaining derivations, some derivations you practice in the first half, some derivations you practice in the second half, and 5 to 9 p.m. 4 hours, not 5 hours, it is 4 hours, you practice 20 numericals. Okay, and then before going to bed again practice MCQ. So MCQ practice is very, very essential, and you will be getting top 50 questions last day division live with me in the evening. Okay, so do join me for all of your doubts, all of your queries after you study, if you have any, right? So, and 50 questions I will be discussing in this live as well. And in the morning of the exam, you don't forget that I will be bringing you 30-minute quick revision. So if you study that, you will pass. Okay, that 30-minute revision will be very, very important. If you have not studied at all, just want to pass, you just watch this 30-minute quick revision, you will pass. Early morning live, I will be taking on 1 hour early morning live around 6 to 7 or 6 to 7:30. Do join me in that live. I will be discussing some more questions, and obviously after your exams are over, I will be doing paper discussion live, so do join me for that. Now all of those who want to forget, what sir, what are you saying about all the schedule is over here, you can take a screenshot of that and save it in your phone. It will be shared in our WhatsApp channel as well. So if you have not joined our WhatsApp channel, do join our WhatsApp channel. All the lecture notes, PDFs, etc. will be shared on our WhatsApp channel only. So, and also the update of when I'm coming live, when my recorded videos are going live, so you can check that out only on our WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join the WhatsApp channel. Now fixed questions, 5 p.m. complete revision in one, that is today. Tomorrow 9 a.m. complete formula sheet. You will get physics passing package. You will also get 4 p.m. live from top NCERT numericals, and 8 p.m. you will get top 200 MCQs with me. Next, last day study strategy. I'll be sharing that study strategy with you as well, and 5 p.m. live will be top 50 questions. So do join me on this. Now many of you might think, sir, India is playing World Cup, how can I manage the schedule? Don't forget, World Cup comes back once in every 2 years, but your final exam will not come back again. So don't put too much pressure on you that I have to watch cricket. Cricket is, I know in our country cricket is considered to be religion, but don't forget your exams are more important than this World Cup. Okay, so do focus on this exam. If you are studying really hard, you can watch last 30 minutes to 1 hour. During your dinner time you might watch. Okay, adjust your dinner time so that you can watch last 1 hour. That is fine, but do not stress on yourself. Do not stress on yourself that I have to watch the match, I have to pass on physics. That is not possible. Okay, so you have to put your focus on your exam. Okay, exams are more important than a World Cup match, right? And obviously if you are preparing for future, if you are preparing for your after exam, what you have to do, obviously KC30 batch is live. As all of you know that what we are going to give in this KC30 batch, 30-day live online crash course, KCET previous year questions, complete syllabus revision of P1 and P2, chapter wise KCET PYQs in test format, and 10 full length KCET mock test, and the price is only for 2499. It's again the special price. It is not ending on 25th of February. It is special holy price. So don't forget to purchase if you are interested in securing your future, right? I'll be back live today, so don't forget to join me in that live session. Till then, bye.